Hi friends, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. Recently I conducted a workshop in engineering college where they will build Rcplane from scratch. It's a 2 days workshop and there are total 95 students in this workshop. So they used coroplast material to build this plane. So they shown really more interest to build this plane, and I've gone to each and every student, explain how to build this plane, and if they stuck somewhere, I assist them to finish the step and make sure everybody's plane is ready. So out of this 95 students, they prepared 16 planes ready. So they divided into teams. Each team will build one plane like that. So I've gone to each and every student and I explain how to build this plane step by step. So that they will learn different varieties of aero modeling techniques and all. Okay, so you can see here I'm going to each and every student and guiding them and explaining how to do a specific wing shape and airfoil and attaching parts to the fuse, so etc etc, like yeah, it's really very interesting workshop. So they shown a lot of interest and enthusiasm to make this plane. So I'm happy to see these many people interested in this hobby.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸರ್